Make this BLT Crispy Chicken Salad for a quick and easy dinner idea, perfect for weeknights using my Buttermilk Maple Dressing. Pairs so well with crispy chicken and bacon, so let's get started. In a bowl, combine the Greek yogurt, and to that we'll add some pure maple syrup, and then some buttermilk. And then to that we'll add a little bit of olive oil and apple cider vinegar. Whisk it together until nice and smooth. And for lots of fresh flavor, we'll add lots of chopped fresh dill. Whisk until combined, and then place in a jar. Refrigerate while we prepare the rest of the salad. Place your chopped lettuce in 2 large serving bowls and top with the tomatoes, bell peppers, mandarin slices, then your cooked chicken nuggets and crumbled bacon. Drizzle with the buttermilk maple dressing and find the full recipe at frenchkisscook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.